Hi guys, my name's Haley. My family and I have been enjoying this couch from Belffin for the last couple of weeks, and I want to show you my favorite things on it. First of all, I love the look of this couch. It is so nice and it's such an eye pleaser for when people walk into the room. One of the things I love overall about Belffin couches is the look of them. You can change its shape into anything that you want, from a chair to a couch to even a bed. Along with the overall look of the couch, it makes your living room look so nice. The fabric is amazing and the overall quality is just, it's hard to beat. Another nice thing about the Belffin couches is that the couch covers are able to be taken off, just like this with a zipper. And then you can just take it off and they are washable for the cushions and also for the back. Held on by Velcro in the back. You guys see that strip of Velcro right there? You just take it and put it onto the couch and it sticks. It's good to go. The back cushions also do come off and you can wash them. There's the pillow inside. Super, super nice, especially when you have kids. They are notorious for getting things on the couch. So I love that I can just take off every single piece. So I love that I can just take off whatever I need to and throw it in the washer. These back pillows are so soft and squishy. They are super comfortable. I love laying back on them and relaxing. This couch is just so comfy. Give you guys a close-up of the fabric. It is so super soft. It is incredible. And that is not even the best part yet, you guys. Check this out. Each seat is literally storage. Every single seat here. And the last two here. Boom. Look at all of that storage. Are you kidding me? You can put blankets, pillows, whatever. I even have my kids' stuffed animals in some of them. It is just incredibly nice to have storage on your sofa. This Belffin couch, hands down, has been the most perfect couch for my family. It is absolutely 10 out of 10. It has everything I've wanted in a couch, from storage to washable covers, to the softness and the quality and the comfort on it. You can comfortably snuggle with your family at night and take a little nap even. It is so comfortable. It is just a 10 out of 10. I love it so much. Belffin is an amazing couch company to go through, and I am so happy I got a couch from them. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.